Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 31-0735-IP. This is a 12-volt replacement solenoid with plunger, and this is what it is. That rubber band is there just to keep the solenoid from falling out prior to installation. Pardon me, the plunger is what it is. The device that activates or moves the latch when the solenoid is activated. Okay, so this video is going to serve as a visual representation of the item. This is not an uncommon item for us to sell because, like any other item in hardware, you know, they do wear out or they do fatigue, they do fail, they are vandalized with time, that sort of thing. What is also true, and thankful I am for it, is that Adams Rite makes the parts available for you to continue to get useful service out of significant investment in exit device hardware, especially, you know, an electrified device. This is compatible with the 3700, 8700, 8800 EL rim exit devices. Let's give you an idea of the overall length. The mounting bracket assembly alone is about 2 5/8. Has an overall height of about 1 5/16 inches. And then has a width of about 1 3/8 inches. The plunger sticks out from the edge of the mounting case about 11/16. You're going to have your switch that's going to be here, and there is an image below this video that will show you that detail closer. Then you're going to have your cable. I don't know the exact length, but I'm going to guess it's every bit of 4 feet long. I'm only guessing. Well, you know what? No reason to guess. There's 2 pair of blue and 2 pair of yellow wires. Let's remove the rubber band and take a look exactly how long it is. I like to be able to record in these videos the dimensional properties because you know, it's unlikely that you make a living in hardware, or maybe you do. Regardless, it's nice to have the dimensional properties of something. So the overall length of the cable to the back of the bracket, or to the back of the solenoid, I should say. Well, it's probably going to be closer to 3 feet. Pardon me, 6 feet. It's not quite 6 feet, but it's every bit of 68 inch. So that's lots of cable there for you to get that installed. Okay, and obviously the solenoid is under the red wrapping. There is a decal that indicates its voltage that you can see there. Obviously, that's going to be from the OEM that manufactures that for Adams Rite. Now, finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full line catalog. Now, all of that is very helpful because it allows you to, you know, be in touch with what Adams Rite has available. The link on that page that is most valuable, at least to me, is the link to the parts manual. Now that is valuable because one thing that I like about Adams Rite, and there are choices in the marketplace other than Adams Rite certainly, when it comes to electric strikes, exit devices, aluminum storefront hardware. They are not the only company that makes that material naturally, but what does set them apart, in my opinion, is that they publish all the parts diagrams for everything that is drawn. There might be an item that there is no parts drawing for, however. So if you're in a position where you are a building engineer, a landlord, someone who owns a convenience store, or an employee of anything, the availability or the access to those parts drawings, for me, separates Adams Rite you listen, I don't need the $1,000 device. I need the one piece, the electrical component that failed. With Adams Rite, you can not only get the part number from the drawing, but you can order the item, and that's crucial because you want to continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in hardware, exit devices, electric strikes especially. This material takes a lot of use and a lot of abuse. And that's why I'm partial to Adams Rite. They also have exceptional customer service and technical support. Their technical support people stand heads and shoulders above most others. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite 31-0735-IP, replacement solenoid and plunger, for those 3700 EL, 8700 EL, 8800 EL rim exit devices. And there is a link to the template below this video to the 3 and 8000 EL devices, or any other Adams Rite product. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.